Honorable Member of Parliament, Shri Sambit Patra ji, Founder and Chairman of ODM School, Shri Dr. Subrabrata Minaketan ji, all the distinguished dignitaries, esteemed guests, proud parents, grandparents, the administrative staff, the teachers, and on top of everybody, the lovely students, the such hard-working students who perform so beautifully for all of us on such a beautiful occasion of 36th annual anniversary spectra of this such a popular school located in the hearts of Orissa. It is truly a pleasure for me to be standing here in front of all of you, amongst all of you. It really makes me feel proud tonight to be part of this entire ODM family on such a beautiful occasion. It is actually not the correct protocol and not the real form, and I also understand not very many of you will appreciate that I am speaking after such a beautiful message which has been given by our Honorable Member of Parliament, but it is only on his insistence that I have come here to speak to you, and let me assure you, I will just speak to you for 2 to 3 minutes. Having said so, when I come across students and especially the NCC cadet, wherever pan-India, I have few message. And that message is that first of all of you will have to be a proud Indian. You have to learn to love this country. You have to respect this country, and you always will have to be indebted to your elders and your grandparents who got you here in this wonderful world in an independent India. Remember, your generation and my generation, a privileged class that we have come after all the fights, sacrifice, the selfless life that our elders lived, that our grandparents lived by fighting the then mighty Britishers and gave us an independent Bharat. Also remember that this country at one point of time was known as Sone ki Chidiya, and even today, in such a short span post our independence, we are again on the same path. Should never forget what we have been served on a platter by our elders and our grandparents who are here tonight, and I'm so grateful to the management that they've thought for such a noble topic that they have dedicated this evening to the grandparents. And I heard the founder how this concept came into his mind. So dear children, never forget the bloodshed that has come on this ground where today you all are living such a beautiful life. They have made this country a superpower for us. It is now our responsibility to let this country remain a superpower till our grandchildren come and speak on the same lines for us too. Having said so, the last line which I would like to tell you is, never forget the history, because history will teach you how to live today, and history will only teach you how to succeed for your future. And always remember, you are the future. All those students who are sitting right across us, there will be an evening that we as grandparents would be sitting there and watching you as such tall leaders, and you are blessed to have leaders of the capability of Sri Sambit Patra coming here, spending so much of time and addressing you all live. Thank you very much once again, all of you, to have called me here and heard me so, and thank you Sambit Bhai for the little insistence that you made and I could address to the students. Thank you very much. Jai Jagannath and Jai Hind.
हॉलमार्क ऑर्नामेंट्स स्वप्नरू सत जाए।